This is a quick and easy tutorial on how I DIY crackers for Christmas. Welcome to MoggyBoxCraft. I'm Deborah. Let's get crafting. You're not going to need much for this, are you? Not really. You're going to need some card that's not too thin and looks pretty. I've got glitter silk stock card. So this card is 12 inches by 12 inches. I work in centimetres. So for that purposes, it's 30.5 centimetres by 30.5 centimetres. And it did have lots of colours to choose from, but I've used pretty much all of it. This is all I've got left. Today I'm going to be using this lovely gold glitter card to make my crackers. You're also going to need a guillotine or a paper cutter. Don't worry if you don't have this. You can always use scissors and a ruler. And you will also need a pair of scissors later on anyway. Mine has a nice little ruler along this edge, which is very handy. You're also going to need a glue gun or some other form of glue to stick down the card and secure the cracker snaps. And on that note, you're going to need cracker snaps. That is what they look like. You can get these in packs of 30 or 50 on Amazon or eBay. Quite cheap as well. Some jokes. They don't have to be good jokes, because no Christmas jokes are good jokes. And some cracker decorations. I like to keep my cracker decor simple but yet effective. I'm reusing these little wooden shapes of a bow and a deer. Is that a deer? Stag? Ugh, whatever it is. I'm reusing these from years gone by. I use them every year on my crackers. As you can see from the copious amounts of past Christmas crackers still stuck on the back of them. However, I think they still look really nice from the front. So, waste not, want not. Is that everything we need? Oh no, there's one more thing. Something to put in the Christmas crackers along with the jokes. Now you could put a toy in your cracker for the kids. I don't have kids. You could use something like this. Or there's always miniatures. If your crackers are for adults, you could put their favourite tipple in their cracker. However, if you do decide to use miniatures, do remember to make your crackers big enough that they'll fit. The crackers I'm going to show you today probably wouldn't fit. Actually, this one might fit in. I'm not sure about this one, but something to bear in mind. What I like to use is scratch cards. Everyone likes a scratch card at Christmas and the hope of winning something. They never do. Scratch cards are always nice and light, so they're not going to fall back at your cracker or smack someone in the face as they pull the cracker open. I also like to pop in some drinks identifiers. You know, little things that just stick to the side of your glass. I have a bow and a crocodile, and they've got little suckers on the back of them so they can stick to your wine glass or even your cup of coffee. Perfect. Everyone will know this is my coffee now, even though I'm the only one here. On with the crafting. Let's start by cutting our card in half. Just going to fold it in half. Line up that folded edge. Now we've got the base of 2 crackers. So this is going to be the outside of my cracker, the pretty side that everyone's going to see. The white side is the inside of the cracker. So we're going to mark this side for our measurements, because no one's going to see it. On each side of the card, you want to make the following marks. In from each side, you need to mark 6 centimetres, 8 centimetres, 10 centimetres. Go ahead and do that on both sides. Turn your card round. The next step is folding the card, but to help with that, I'm going to join up the marks on both sides and put a line through them so I know where my folds are going to go. So your card should look something like this. We're going to fold where these lines are. So to fold the cracker shape, we want to fold this line first, and we're going to fold that in. I'm also going to use a pencil to score along the card so we get a nice flat edge. For the next line, we want to flip it back. And then the inner line, you want to fold back in again. So So you've got something that looks like this. Go ahead and fold this side the same way. So it should look something like this. And to get your cracker to pull apart easily, we're gonna cut little triangles out of this sections. I like to flip my card over like this. Start by cutting off the triangle here. When I cut the next triangle, I'm going to leave a little bit of card attached here because that's what's going to hold the cracker together. So you can see it's still attached there. Carry on until you've done all the way along that edge. So it looks like this. And repeat it on this side. And this is what you should be left with. Now I like to save all those cut out triangles because you never know when they're going to come in handy. I'm sure I will find something or a different project to use them on. Now you've got the base of your cracker. Suppose we should make it look like a cracker. So roll up your cracker so the form is there. And on the outside edge of one side you want to put some glue. Don't put too much on or it'll go everywhere. Then roll up your cracker into that edge. Pinch it all together. Do the same with both sides. I like to match up the outer edge in case I haven't measured properly. There we go. That is the base of our cracker. One cracker down, 20 more to go. I like to add the cracker snap next. Thread your snap through the cracker. Pop a little bit of glue on the end of the snap. I like to glue the cracker snap to where the paper edge is, and that just kind of hides it slightly. On the other side, I like to put a little bit of glue on the cracker and then take the end of your snap and just push that into the glue. Time to add some decor. Make sure the edge where the cracker joins is at the bottom. So the top of the cracker is nice and tidy. Pop some glue on the back of your decor item and stick it on. Now you just have to fill your cracker with tat and bad jokes. I've got a scratch card and a bad joke, and I just like to roll them up, pop them in, and a little drink identifier that matches the cracker. Ready for Christmas. Cracker's complete, which means we're one step closer to being organised for the festivities. And do let me know in the comments below if you're going to try making the crackers, how you get on, and what are you going to put inside them. Also do let me know if you've got any decent Christmas jokes that I can use for next year, my Christmas crackers, because the ones we've got are terrible. Or is that just Christmas jokes? So if you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, share and subscribe. Of course subscribing is optional, but it is very much appreciated. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!